How to freeze rows or columns in Google Sheets. Scrolling through long spreadsheets and losing track of your header, we all have been there. Freezing rows and columns in Google Sheet helps you keep more titles, important titles labeled in place while you are exploring your data. No more confusion, no more guessing. Let's log those headers and make your sheets super easy to navigate. Open the sheets that you want to freeze or unfreeze, then simply go to the tab, hold it for a while. There you can see duplicate, delete, rename, tab, grid, and many more. Freeze row or column. You can see row 1, column 1 has been frozen. Like this, you can freeze row as well. Simply if you tap on it, you can see these two have been frozen. Like this, you can freeze any data, important data of yours. You can freeze up to 1 or 2 at a one, 2 cells, rows or column at once.